Huina remote control heavy-duty truck SCANIA 770S. Officially licensed SCANIA model 770S realistic heavy-duty truck. Exquisite craftsmanship, detailed design. Bright lights, simulated night operation. Link lights, realistic truck lighting. 118 scale realistic model. 2.4G high-frequency remote control. 19-channel remote control, quick response. Proportional control, smooth operation. Independent tire suspension, simulated real truck suspension. Realistic sound effects, simulated engine drive. Flexible control, easy driving. Huina remote control heavy-duty truck SCANIA 770S.